Hello students, let us continue the lesson Nutrition in Animals. Now, let us learn now how the swallowed food from the mouth passes into the esophagus or food pipe. Now children, you can see this is the esophagus. This is esophagus. Now the swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe runs along the neck. And the chest. The food is pushed down. Can you see here? The food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. See, the wall of the food pipe pushes the food particles downwards. Actually, this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal and pushes the food downwards. Here, sometimes what happens at times the food is not accepted by our stomach and is vomited out. That means when we vomit. So why do we vomit? What happens when we vomit? Now our body vomits when it senses some toxic chemicals that upset the stomach. See, the food passes into the stomach. Sometimes it senses some toxic chemicals that upset the stomach. Now there is a trigger zone in the brain. See, that is controlled by the brain that detects the toxic chemicals. Our mouth suddenly begins producing extra saliva. You might have observed while vomiting, lot of saliva is produced in the mouth. This saliva protects our mouth and teeth from incoming stomach acid. See, what we vomit, no, it contains a lot of acid, and your mouth suddenly begins producing extra saliva. This protects our mouth and teeth from incoming stomach acid. See, the food is moving backward towards the mouth and the diaphragm contracts in a few seconds, squeezing the stomach. And what happens? It creates a pressure and the food is pushed upwards. Pushed upwards back. It may be due to different diseases. See, the vomiting can be caused due to different diseases, disorders and illness. Some gastric problem maybe, or food poisoning also causes vomiting. And also ear infection. If there is an ear infection, it also causes vomiting. Due to stress, or if your stomach is empty for a long time, vomiting causes. Depending on the condition or cause, the brain sends a signal during vomiting. How the vomit causes? The brain sends a signal to the diaphragm. It is situated down the stomach. Diaphragm and the stomach, which repels. That means which propels or repels the food back to the esophagus and out the mouth. So this is how the vomiting causes. What happens during vomiting? All these happens. Sometimes when you eat in a hurry, talk or laugh while eating, you may cough. Why? What happens? When you talk or laugh while eating, you may cough and you may get hiccups or a choking sensation. That means vikkalike. Hiccups means vikkalike. This happens when food particles enter the windpipe. Can you see here? This is the mouth. This is esophagus, food pipe, and this, what you can see here, the segment like structure, this is windpipe. See, the air we breathe enters into the windpipe and it reaches the lungs. The food we take in goes through the food pipe here and enters into the stomach. So what happens sometimes? The windpipe carries air from the nostrils to the lungs. It runs adjacent to the food pipe. See, both are placed adjacently. But inside the throat, air and food share the common passage. Share the common passage. Then how is food prevented from entering the windpipe? See, whatever food we take, it may enter into the windpipe. Right? How is it prevented? During the act of swallowing. While swallowing, what happens? A flap-like valve is present here. Can you see here? This is a valve. This is a red color valve. that closes the passage of the windpipe and sends the food into the food pipe. If by chance food particles enter into the windpipe, we feel choked, and during that time we get hiccups or cough. The food passes through the esophagus and it reaches the stomach. Now let us learn about the next part in the next class. Thank you.